Hi, my name's Andy Cooper. I work for Yamaha. We're at ISE 2020, and let's take a look at a new system monitoring function we've got that works with the CL and QL mixing consoles and the RIO units that we use on stage to pick up the sound. So here we have software called ProVisionaire Control, and we have this little light. It's green to show us everything is okay. But if something was not okay, it would indicate with a red or yellow color. We can go in and check. This will show us which products are online, and then we can take a look at the detail. So everything is good. Power supply status, temperature, condition, clock signal, and so on. Everything is there, and then even more detail, it shows us different statistics that we can check, and it will alert us if anything is wrong, and this will work through VPNs and so on, so we can remotely check wherever our equipment is. We can run this software and make sure everything is good. For more details, find our website yamaha.com/pro audio.